In this video, I'll show you how to use the Relight effect in DaVinci Resolve. Please note that Relight is only available in the Studio version. Let's get started. Go to the color page and create a simple two-node setup. Select the first node, search for Relight, and add it. In the inspector, enable Output Surface Map. This node will generate the surface map. Now select the second node and add the Relight effect. In the inspector, set the surface map to Input 2. Then drag the green output from the first node into the green Input 2 of the second node. You can now use the on-screen controls to position your virtual light. For a cleaner view, switch the light type to directional and turn off the Relight Map preview. To increase the light intensity, raise the gain in the primaries of the second node. You can also refine the look using the light controls in the inspector. That's how you quickly relight a shot using the Relight effect in DaVinci Resolve Studio.